Ulat ka jila Meghalaya u CH Vijaya Shankar na ka jingyo mudoy na arpoy ngot ki MDC ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ba Kim Shania show yo Albinush Marak ban bat ya ka kam Chief Executive Member ula batha ban penlong dorbar kerpang basisngi ban vote ya ka no confidence motion ha ka khatnre tre luber arajar punriu. Hindray, Shwa ban long ka dorbar u Albinush ula Iehnoh ka kam bara ka dorbar na kalyang ulampang ula penlong ya ka election ban jet CEM bathamai ha ka baki MDC bam sultanat show yo Albinush kila jet yo dhormonat sangma ubade na ka nagwa para MDC constituency. Haba pentep ya ka ni shakilat pathai khubor hadin ga jelang kenhun menteri ka sarkar MDA2 ha ka nok phai ski jo ka khatnre tre ulber araja apun riu ba preston ulaong baki MDC Kim Shania show yo Albinush bat kumta kila dawa naulat ban penlong dorbar kerpang ban vote ya ka no confidence motion.
Today in the morning, the CEM of the District Council, Shri Albinush Armara, has resigned from the post of CEM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CEM by the name of Shri Dhormonat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again. And with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the House for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned. I think this is the common phenomenon. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCs, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules. Since they are there 20 and above, so the Governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision. And accordingly, that day, he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the House. Before the session starts, the former CEM of the District Council, Shri Albinush Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the House.
Uba preston tensang ulapan pau bagi MDC ki Kynnoh bo Albinush ula rai Marwei ya ka notification kabalapan mi ban pakhang ya ki bam day riulum na kabaya shimbanta ha ka election MDC sa GHADC bat kam day ka rai lang. Kumban syukro baka ne ka notification ka babatha bagi baya kun election MDC sa GHADC kiri ban say ka not scheduled tribe hi ka klam no hakmat ka yeng kasari ka balakdo balapan tray kam ya ka klam da board ya ki Kynnoh.
Number one, let me tell you one thing. If the CEM does not consult his own colleague in the executive committee, because see, I think you must have seen that notification. That notification where he ultimately notified in his level about the ST certificate. I'm not saying that it is wrong. In fact, maybe it is right, but it is not as per the prescribed norms, as per the rules. Why should he alone sign the notification? Because this has to be brought to the House. But that itself, he did not do it. So therefore, 21 members of the MDC, ultimately they said, he is not fit to continue as the CEM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, he has to ultimately resign from the post. Why? Example, it's because of that. A person as a CEM who does not understand the participation or the discussion, be it in his own executive committee or be it inside the house. So therefore, this is his failure, and ultimately, all the MDCs, they went against him. Well, even if the ticket is, I think that is not a new thing. It is not a new thing. For ticket, denial of ticket or allotting ticket, I think this is common issue to every political party. So just because the party does not give you a ticket, can you ultimately deviate yourself from the prescribed norms or the prescribed regulation? You can't do that. I think right now we don't talk about NPP or any other political parties. We are talking about the agenda, the boiling issue, the boiling agenda, which is expressed by the people of Kyrwoh Hills. There is no such political agenda, especially from the NPP side, from the ruling side. We don't have any political agenda at all. But we would like to make sure that the aspiration of the people is met at any cost.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.